Today we are going to learn about sequencing. Sequence shows the order in which things happen. What words can I use to fill in the blanks to show the order in which things happen in the story? We have blank, I took out a piece of bread. Blank, I opened the jar of peanut butter. And blank, I spread the peanut butter on the bread. So you want to tell the order in which these happen by using transition phrases or transitional words. First, I took out a piece of bread. Following that, I opened the jar of peanut butter. To finish up, I spread the peanut butter on the bread. So I know we're used to seeing first, next, then, last, or finally, but we want to spice things up in our writing, and also when we are reading, we will see the author use things other than first, next, then, or last. So we have sequence clues that include first, which we're very used to, next, then, last, finally. These are the ones that you guys see most often or you use most often. Before, afterwards. And our example is, first, Alex washes his face and brushes his teeth. Then, Alex puts on his pajamas. Next, Alex picks up a book for his father to read. Picks out a book for his father to read. Some other transitional phrases or words that we may hear or see when we are reading are in the beginning, initially, which is another way to say first, and meanwhile, which lets us know that something is happening in the middle. Read the sentences below. The details are out of order. Write the sentences in paragraph form, placing the details in the correct order. So I'm not going to have you write the sentences, but you are going to, on the next slide, you're going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So you're going to place it in its correct order by numbering it 1 through 5. Remember to use your transition words to help you identify the order in which these things are happening.